As a worldwide leader in power products, Quail Electronics wants to educate our audience on the importance of staying efficient. In this video, we're going to give a demonstration on how to properly wrap a power cord that will extend the life of your cord and keep you organized. We will provide you with two techniques, including how to hank a cord, as well as performing a coil wrap. All too often, cords can get knotted up and disorganized, which can be a time-consuming hassle to untangle. This video tutorial will be a straightforward remedy to such a common problem. Some wrap jobs are suited for different gauge or thickness. Some useful tools you may need are pieces of Velcro and twist ties. Let's begin with the hank method. This is your standard PC cord. The hanking refers to a figure 8 motion. You're guiding the cord as if you're going to draw a figure 8 until the cord runs out. You will always have one end on one side and one end on the other. To keep the cord intact, use either a twist tie or, in this case, a strap of Velcro. You're going to want to use the hank method for your shorter and thinner power cords. Hanking is also very useful for your laptop cord. The longer and thicker power cords are easier using the coil method. Let me show you how to do it. Most people are familiar with this method of wrapping a cord. Others use this way. Those are not the ideal methods, as in time they will damage the cords and its conductors. Let me show you a new method of wrapping a cord called the over-under technique that will keep you organized and extend the life of your cords. First, begin with a standard coil wrap that you're familiar with. Then twist your hand to perform a coil from the inside of the cord, keeping the same coil dimension as the first. Alternate between wrapping the cord over and under, making adjustments if needed to keep the cord wrapping the same size. Continue the process, over and under, until you reach the end of the cord. Hopefully this video tutorial on two methods to properly wrap a cord will help you save time and maximize efficiency for all your power cord wrapping needs. Visit our website, www.quail.com, for our top-of-the-line products, or contact our friendly sales staff at 1-800-669-8090. Remember, Quail is your complete power cord solution.